Crypterium fundamentally was generally examined after its nearby basically send-off back in 2018 in an essentially large manner. A short time later, it sort of in every way that really matters, vanished off a tad, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, presently, because of its new cost rally and the posting on Coinbase and truly different trades, it is at last picking up speed again in a significant manner. Numerous financial backers essentially are presently inquisitive about the possibilities of the Crypterium digital money, which generally is very huge. Is it certainly worth the buzz in a significant manner? How high might it at any point rise, which really is genuinely critical? We should explicitly find out in our Crypterium cost forecast, or so they in a real sense thought. What especially is the Crypterium crypto incredibly? Crypterium is a portable wallet application that allows clients really to spend crypto in their daily existences in an essentially significant way. The application can be utilized to exchange digital forms of money, sort of top up one's cell phone, exceptionally open a bank account, or request a worldwide crypto card incredibly. It likewise permits clients to store, purchase, and money out Bitcoin, Bitcoin money, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and ERC20 tokens incredibly. Moreover, CRPT hodlers can truly acquire up to 21% most certainly yearly interest on their tokens, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypterium's leader highlight especially is its crypto card, a Visa card that can explicitly be for the most part bested up with BTC and utilized in over 42M stores in an unobtrusive way. They really have likewise as of late sent off choice.com, a MetaFi biological system that rehashes the manner in which for the most part different conventions basically work with CEFI. MetaFi is a moderately new term that especially is utilized for administrations that empower monetary cooperations among fungible and non-fungible tokens, or so they essentially thought. CEFI truly means concentrated finance. Both the for the most part token itself and the undertaking it controls really have been doing very well of late, in spite of mainstream thinking. There generally are new organizations being made, and Crypterium is by all accounts standing out enough to be noticed from financial backers both on cryptographic money trades and via virtual entertainment in a very huge manner. Crypterium specialized examination in a quite enormous way. At the hour of composing, lovely sort of much all specialists that perform Crypterium specialized examination in every practical sense were bullish on this token and the especially short in a real sense run incredibly. As per investing.com, all specialized pointers for the CRPT USD pair fundamentally were showing areas of strength for a kind of sign in an unpretentious way. Obviously, these outcomes can change quickly step by step in an especially enormous manner. Here is the consequence of TradingView's CRPT specialized examination refreshed and certainly ongoing. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense recall that this data doesn't comprise venture counsel in a significant manner. Continuously for the most part do your by and large own examination prior to going with any monetary choices in an unobtrusive manner. Crypterium value expectation for 2023. All bull truly runs truly will undoubtedly end, and we in a real sense feel that the ongoing positively trending business sector will essentially possible fundamentally reached a dead end at some point in the mid-year of 2022, in spite of prevalent thinking. It certainly is especially conceivable that there will especially be one more gigantic meeting in 2023 or even in the last part of 2022. They really have been occurring progressively substantially more frequently as of late. In any case, we sort of exhort against depending on truly such capricious elements as a component of in every practical sense, your speculation technique. As of now, our Crypterium figure for 2023 essentially is decently truly moderate in a sort of enormous manner. We by and large think the symbolic will have a for the most part normal cost of 50 cents and an especially greatest cost of $1.90 in an unobtrusive manner. Crypterium value expectation for 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Crypterium cryptographic money appears to sort of be one of those advanced coins that generally stay at similar level external assemblies, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. For kind of a lot of its presence, this token has been in the 10 cents -0.2 territory during its personal time. Thus, this reach ought to basically be the normal, especially least CRPT may commonly hit at some random time. Concerning its normal and for the most part greatest cost in 2024, our Crypterium estimate anticipates that they should basically be around 60 cents and $2.10. Separately in a fundamentally significant way. Crypterium value expectation for 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. Our Crypterium cost expectation for 2025 especially is basically the same as the one we made for 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner. We by and large think this symbolic's future value activity will follow a similar recipe it did in 2019 to 2022, especially short cost mobilizes basically followed by revision and a kind of brief level. Thus, we don't essentially feel that its kind of normal cost will in a real sense shift that stunningly before very long in a by and large enormous manner. In 2025, it might just in every practical sense be 60 cents again in a huge way. What will Crypterium certainly be worth in 2025 amazingly? The sort of current cost and market cap of Crypterium may not be that not quite the same as the ones of every 2025, except if the undertaking presents some earth-shattering development. The by and large token is especially improbable to retake the barely the most exorbitant cost it's consistently taken, and remain at that level in an unobtrusive manner. This certainly is the reason our ongoing Crypterium cost expectation for 2025 truly isn't that unique in relation to the one for 2024 or 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Regardless, CRPT can in any case basically be a productive venture, as lovely long as you sort of get it while it's low and sort of sell it during a bull most certainly run incredibly. Crypterium value expectation for 2030, or so they especially thought. Who can say for sure what 2030 will bring for the crypto world? We might see the business getting obliterated by extremely overabundance guideline, or witness how it thrives as the cutting-edge worldwide installment framework it for the most part was constantly intended to be especially. Regardless of the situation, the crypto business will continue to be a center of development before very long, or so they explicitly thought. All tasks that especially need to remain above water should generally keep up, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Right now, it seems like Crypterium basically is in good shape. Our Crypterium cost expectation for 2030 essentially is a kind of minimal, basically more hopeful than the ones for extremely different years, which most certainly is very critical. All things considered, while you're making an estimate for something that far into the future, dreaming in every practical sense, minimal in a quite enormous way is exceptionally okay. Who knows, perhaps CRPT will really figure out how to hit $5. Is Crypterium a truly wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Crypterium can be a great expansion to your portfolio in the event that you're searching for a high-risk, high-reward resource whose value appears to rise dependably in each market blast. Might I at any point stake Crypterium? You can store actually your CRPT tokens into a bank account and procure up to 21% premium on them yearly in an extremely huge manner. Could you at any point involve Crypterium in the US? Crypterium bank card stores for the most part are not accessible in the US, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. At the hour of composing, cash-outs were likewise inaccessible for American clients in a genuinely huge manner. How all things considered, do you for the most part get Crypterium in an unobtrusive manner? You can purchase, trade, or sort of sell Crypterium inside the Crypterium wallet or on a cryptographic money trade like Coinbase or Huobi, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Sadly, Crypterium especially isn't accessible on Changelly in a really significant manner. Notwithstanding, you can get one of the 200 plus genuinely other cryptographic forms of money recorded on our foundation and afterward use it to really get CRPT on a trade that in a real sense upholds it, which is genuinely critical. Thank you for watching our videos.